This is the Amazon forest, the largest and most desolate jungle in our world. A jungle so massive that if you were left in the middle of it, it would take you a full 472 days to get out. And on this journey, you would face animals whose size, big or small, doesn't matter at all. Both have only one goal: to kill you and feed themselves. Because this is the Amazon forest, and here, even a tiny ant is enough to take your life. This jungle is a piece of land that spans 5.5 million square kilometers, and this area is so huge that 7 countries like Pakistan, 2 like India, and 157 like Dubai could easily fit inside it. This jungle is spread across 8 countries. If we talk about this area, this jungle starts from the American state, goes through Colombia, Guyana, Brazil, and Peru, and ends in Bolivia. And you might find it a bit strange to know 20% of the oxygen that all oxygens are breathing right now comes from here. This jungle of 400 billion trees is where nature rules completely. That's why everything here happens on its own. Today, you will learn such shocking facts about the Amazon forest that you have probably never heard before. After all, how big is the Amazon, and what are those creatures that have occupied every corner of this jungle for thousands of years? Friends, although the total area of the Amazon forest is 5.5 million square kilometers, if you were to make a complete round along its border, the border of the Amazon forest alone is 9,500 kilometers long, meaning this distance is equal to making 7 round trips from Mumbai to New Delhi or Karachi to Islamabad. This massive and dense jungle is also called the Amazon rainforest because there is hardly a week in the entire year when it doesn't rain here. The Amazon forest is so dense that whenever it rains here, the rainwater takes 10 minutes to trickle down through the trees to the ground. And because of this density, it is pitch black here even during the day, just like night. Because these dense trees don't even let sunlight pass through. Due to the rain and excellent ecosystem here, there are species of animals, birds, and plants that are found only in the Amazon jungles in the entire world. So far, there are 40,000 plant species, 1,300 different species of the most expensive birds, over 2,200 fish species, 272 mammals, and many species of 380 bizarre-looking animals. If we talk about the small insects here, 2.5 million different types of venomous insects have been spotted here so far. As beautiful as this jungle looks from the outside, it is even more dangerous on the inside because anything can happen here at any time. Extremely dangerous animals, both big and small, are found here. If a person enters this jungle even by mistake, their very first encounter in this jungle will be with the green anaconda. This green anaconda is the largest and most venomous snake in the world, which is about 30 feet long and weighs 250 kilograms. One special thing about it is that whenever it hunts, it swallows a fairly large animal, even bigger than itself, alive in a single gulp. No one knows yet how many total anacondas like this exist in the Amazon. But along with the anaconda, thousands of species of dangerous snakes like cobra and python exist here. You must have been bitten by an ant at some point, because these ants are smaller than a grain of wheat, but even when they bite a human body, the whole body shivers with pain. But in the Amazon forest, there is a species of ant whose sting is extremely painful. Known as the bullet ant and carrying venom inside, this is the largest ant in the world, which is at least 4 centimeters long. If it bites a human by chance, the resulting pain is so severe that it can even take a person's life. It is also called the bullet ant because those who have been its victims said that the pain of its sting is as intense as being shot by a bullet. In this jungle stretching for thousands of miles, the world's second longest and, by water flow, the world's largest river is also located. This is the Amazon River. Its total length is 6,840 kilometers. All the rainwater collected in the entire Amazon forest flows through this river and empties into the ocean. This river, about 329 feet deep, is home to thousands of ferocious and large crocodiles that can go to any length to satisfy their hunger. Surprisingly, 219,000 cubic meters of water pass through the Amazon River in 1 second. And you can estimate the quantity of this water from the fact that the world's largest swimming pool, City Stars Sharm el-Sheikh, located in Egypt, can be filled in just 1 second by this very water flowing from the Amazon. Even if you combine the top 14 rivers in the world, all of them together cannot match the volume of water that flows from the Amazon into the Atlantic Ocean. Due to low human presence here, bizarre creatures have also been seen in the Amazon River, with the pink dolphin topping the list. Measuring about 9 feet long and weighing 200 kilograms, these pink dolphins are much faster and smarter than other dolphins. Because their brains are quite large. Although dolphins usually get along very well with humans, the pink dolphin is the only dolphin that can also attack humans. Scientists and researchers have plenty of evidence that for the last 250 years, a fish called the electric eel has existed in the Amazon River. Surprisingly, this is a type of fish that delivers a massive shock for its defense, which has been recorded up to 860 volts so far. Several incidents have occurred in the Amazon River where electric eels gave high-voltage shocks to humans and killed them on the spot. Let alone humans, this species of fish doesn't spare animals 100 times larger than itself. Whatever comes in front of it, it just kills it with a single electric shock. Scientists say that the electric eel can generate a current of 860 volts, which can break the nervous system of any living creature. Martin Strel is a marathon swimmer who swam the entire Amazon River to cross it. Yes, the very river that contains thousands of giant alligators, electric eels, and large snakes like the anaconda. So how did Martin avoid all these things and claim this record, and that too in just 66 days? In 2007, this man chose the most dangerous place in the world to set the most dangerous world record. In this river, Martin used to swim for 10 hours daily during the day and rest the rest of the time. Martin said that, in such a dangerous river, to protect him from anacondas, wild alligators, electric eels, and many other dangerous animals, his team, who accompanied him on a separate boat, would throw countless pieces of meat on both sides of the river to distract these deadly crocodiles. In the Amazon jungles, there is also a river where the water is boiling all the time. This 6.5-kilometer-long river, emitting steam, is located in that part of the Amazon River which falls under Peru's territory. The water temperature in this river ranges from 90 to 100 degrees Celsius, in which anything can be easily cooked. The water of this river boils all year round. But no one knows the real reason behind it. Around 600 tribes also live near this magnificent Amazon jungle. These people hunt the animals of this jungle and spend their lives here. Many of these tribes have never even seen the advanced outside world, and when they encounter another human, they react as if they are seeing this for the very first time. There are many mysterious sites in the Amazon where, when viewed from satellite images, some markings are visible on the ground over a very large area. These signs, which are also called geoglyphs, the size of many of these geoglyphs extends up to 1.5 kilometers, and more than 300 such geoglyphs have been seen in the Amazon forest. After all, for what purpose were these bizarre markings made, and who made them back then? If you want a separate video on this, write part 2.